asking this question of somebody who generally walks around with the glass half full. You know, so I'm very optimistic anyway. And as a planner in my background, and I've traveled all around the state, I would say yes. And the reason for that, though, is we have a lot of passion in Arizona. There's a lot of brilliant people, a lot of talented, knowledgeable people who want to ensure that what we do and how we grow is vibrant and thriving and sustainable for the days to come. And you heard some of that discussed. And it's about giving back. So I think with all the passion, even collectively in the room, and even if folks are not from Arizona originally, you become from Arizona when you're here. So planning and development, folks really want to create a legacy for the future and help this young state that we're in our centennial to be part of the legacy for the next centennial. So I think the answer would be yes. We've got a great talent pool.